Restore enhances outcomes. Patients are focusing on playing the game, and they're competitive in their own score, their own length of time, their duration of play, and that results in their function being increased.
The benefits of Restore are, I use it a lot to help with patients' balance as well as core strengthening.
Restore helped me stay active, happy, and healthy, in that I could just forget about that I have trouble standing, and I continue to stand longer than I usually do.
I enjoy the repetitiveness of it. It helps you learn, it helps you get yourself stronger.
If I were to recommend Restore skills to a colleague, I would tell them that it is very rehab-based, rehab-focused, and there are a lot of great programs within Restore skills to help our clients and residents meet their goals.